Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you the tour of our main girls hostel that is currently home to 2nd, 3rd and 4th year students. We have 2 wings in the hostel, each having 4 floors. The basic infrastructure is similar for both boys as well as the girls hostels in Tanda. On the ground floor we have our mess, and the 2 wings, they are interconnected to each other. Each floor has 1 washing and bathing area with 3 bathing spots and 4 toilets. All the rooms are single seaters in the hostel, and only the ground floor and the first floor wings are connected to each other by a lobby. Above this there is no connection between the wings. So now here we head towards the common room with a mini gym. Here we have a mini gym that is on the Sunday evening hosting the rumbling fans, drying the clothes. And outside the gym also you will have a huge balcony hosting sunbathing clothes with a magnificent view. Both 3rd as well as 4th floors of both the wings, they are not interconnected to each other but do have a balcony that have beautiful views. Okay, so now let's take a look inside hostel rooms and also some routines in a med student's life. Further, I'll also help you with a checklist of things that you must carry when you come to a hostel. You will be provided with a bookshelf, chair, table and a bed that is without a mattress. In the hostel, you need to bring your toiletries, that is a bucket, mug, towel, bathrobe. And a tip that you all should munch is having something like a picnic basket that contains all your toiletries and prevents them from spilling around when you go for a bath. You must carry your favorite hobby that cheers you up on your own. Believe me, this will help you a lot in a med school. Be it a guitar, be it any other hobby, bring it along with you when you come to the hostel. Books is something you get outside the campus in a complete set for the year you are in, under the guidance of your teacher or seniors. Other things that you need to bring along is a mattress that you can buy from the market, a pillow, blanket and quilt for winter season, a hot water bottle as winter will be here soon, at least 2 pair of bed sheets, curtains for 2 windows and 1 for the door, a mirror. These are some essentials everyone should pack for the hostels. Bringing rest of the things that make you feel at home is your call. You can fill your room with your own vibes. All the best to all the NEET aspirants. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. For closer interaction, you can follow us on our Instagram page. Until next time, I've been Flora Explorer and I'll see you all in my next video. Keep planting a hope.